Hey, good day and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Mel and I'm the Curvy horse Sheila. So my Curvies, in today's haul, we are in fact doing another Shein haul. And I have to say guys, this is a good one. And I can't wait to show you, so let's get into it. So guys, first up in our haul today we have this gorgeous little iridescent blouse. Now this is absolutely gorgeous. It is short at the front and long at the back, as you can see. And I have just tied it, but it is this gorgeous sort of iridescent rainbow kind of splatter, or I don't know, it might even be some kind of animal print, but it is just foiled on and it is just absolutely beautiful. I don't know if it's showing on the camera the way that it catches the light, but instead of being on just a plain black or white shirt, it is on this beautiful blue, like a dark blue blouse fabric. And this is absolutely beautiful. I absolutely adore this, guys. It is just fabulous. I wholeheartedly, absolutely recommend this one, guys. It is beautiful. I will untie it just so you can see the actual shirt, the way it comes, because I honestly don't think the model in the Shein photo did this justice, because she just wore it like this, just tied up normally. And just tied up normally like this, in my personal opinion, it's not 100% flattering to the shirt, but it does kind of show you the high-low action that you've got going there. But this is just so pretty. It was just like this understated little rainbow number, and as I said, the photo really didn't do it justice. So the fact that this wasn't sold out just blew my mind. So guys, you really need to show this shirt some appreciation and order it pronto. And with that, let's get on to the next one. So guys, next up in our haul today we have this gorgeous little leopard print velveteen fabric crop top. Now it is very cute. It has this little kind of cap sleeve, and this part here is solid, but this part here is a cutout. It is sheer all the way around to the back. And yeah, I really like this one. It has nice little darts running down the front to give it a kind of, what would you say, corseted look. Now, I'm wearing a very full coverage bra, and as you can see it at the top here, but if you pull it up, you can see it at the bottom. So I think you would have to wear a very sort of small cup, or one of the bras that has the cups at the bottom half of your breasts, the ones that go straight across. But yes, you would have to wear one of those ones. So other than that, this is really adorable. I like that it's so cropped, and these are very high-waisted, guys. That's why it doesn't look completely cropped. Now if you do like these jeans, they are from my previous Shein haul. If you want to check that out, it is in my Shein haul playlist. So with that, guys, on to the next one. Looking at me like I'm a stranger. Looking at me like I'm a stranger. So guys, next up in our haul today we have these gorgeous high-waisted wide leg pants, and I have to say I am a big fan of these. They are, unlike the previous ones I ordered that were a tartan kind of wool fabric, these ones are a very lightweight. Oh, hello. What's up? What's wrong? Oh, she wants to go out. Come on. Off you go. Okay guys, back to the pants. They are indeed high-waisted, wide leg pants, and unlike the last ones, I can't remember what I've said already, guys, I'm so sorry. But unlike the ones in one of my previous videos that were a tartan kind of orange and blue material that were like more wool, these are kind of a silky fabric. And they are very lightweight and just airy to wear. They're really nice. Beautiful and soft, gorgeous and high-waisted. So high-waisted that they're sort of underneath this really short crop top, which I quite like. I think you could easily kind of tuck this in and it would look super nice, just like that. So, as you can see, these have no pockets. That's probably the one thing that I don't really like, but a girl can always bring a handbag, I suppose. It's just not as convenient. But yeah, I really like these guys. They are in a kind of orange red. I don't know if it is orange or red, to be honest guys. In some lights it looks red, like in dark places it looks red, and then when you're out in the light it looks bright orange. So red, orange, either way, I really think they're really comfortable, really nice pants. Beautiful fit. As you can see, they're hardly any gapping at all on my waist, unlike the other pair that I had. Lots of room, just really nice make, guys. Beautiful wide leg, good length. Not much really bad I can say about these ones, guys. Really nice. So with that, let's get on to the next one. So guys, next up in our haul, I wanted to try these pants. Now these are pink leopard print canvas fabric. I wouldn't say that they're denim, but unfortunately this rarely happens, but I was sent the wrong size. So if you would like to catch the fit of these pants, make sure you subscribe and they'll be in the next one, because I have talked to Shein and they are sending me the correct size. So with that guys, on to the next one. So guys, next up in the haul, we have this little sort of, I don't know, bodysuit, I guess you'll call it. It was actually, I think, listed as a play suit or something like that, but I don't know guys, but I don't think this is the look. But just bear with me, because there is a reason why I bought this. So as you can see, it has these built-in kind of bike shorts, and then the top is just this cute little kind of, I don't know, what sort of top would this be? A kind of milkmaid-y top with a little bit of a corset detail, some structure in the boobage. I really quite like the top half of this, and I like the bottom half because it means that I wouldn't have to put on shapewear when I put on this. Now, this is the reason why I bought this play suit, jumpsuit, bodysuit, I don't know what you want to call it guys. The listing will be here so you can officially see what they called it. But this specific this specific skirt in particular is why I actually purchased this item. Now, bear with me. I'm just gonna slip this on for you. Feels a bit scandalous even though I know I'm fully clothed. Now, this is what I had envisioned. Because this top stops here and it has the shorts built in, it works like you can sort of wear this with it and you don't have to worry about chafe and you don't have to worry about bike pants or anything like that. The only thing is, I didn't think of it, you'd have to remove the whole thing to go to the toilet. But it is a lot more comfortable. And I suppose if you were going to wear a bodysuit, you would have to anyway. So, yeah. I'm not as smart as I thought I was, but it's not the first time it's happened. I'm still going to wear it like this. I really like it. Like, this is the first thing that I've actually got that actually looks good with this. So, yeah, I'm still happy with it. And I have to say, this bodysuit is really comfy. So yeah, with that guys, I think this does look really cute. And yeah, on to the next one. So guys, last but not least in the haul today, we have this gorgeous little green play suit. Now, I really like the length of this. I really like the cut. I really like how it has this little flap that hides your little belly action at the bottom here. And I like it especially because, I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but when you walk in and the fabric starts to bunch up between your legs, this hides it, so you don't have to worry about constantly pulling it down and being self-conscious because it's just covered. You don't have to worry about it. What I don't like about this is I do like the halter neck. It's really cute. But if you haven't noticed, I am wearing a black bralette with this. And it is specifically a bralette, not any kind of bra or anything like that, because I came to the conclusion that you simply cannot wear this without some sort of bra. It has no structure to it whatsoever, but this is what I don't like. It goes straight down. See how it goes just straight down? And then the back is completely open. So with there being no kind of structure in this, you just have no support and nothing to hold your ladies in from popping out the sides when you're wearing it. And no matter how tight you wear this, they would pop out. So unless you wanted to wear this as sort of a swimsuit cover up, or as I have done, wear a cute little bralette. I've got just a lacy little bralette on with it, which I think doesn't look bad. You could not wear this without something underneath it. So like a bra with a bralette on, or a little singlet top or swimsuit, something like that. Unless you had really good pasties that just pulled you up and held you in spot, I don't think you could get around not wearing like a bralette or something with this, which is kind of disappointing because it kind of ruins the effect of the jumpsuit. But at the same time, if you don't mind the look of it with the little bralette underneath it, no, go for it. It's really cute, it fits well, it's not too small or anything like that. Plenty of room in the legs, comfortable fabric, this lovely little flap over the front to hide any misgivings you have or insecurities you might have if you're still working on your body positive journey. This is a great place to start, guys. As I said, you can just wear a little shirt or a bralette underneath, and in that way it hides your back too if you're not comfortable showing your back, which I have to say I'm not quite there yet with my back. I have always been self-conscious of sort of this part. I've always been self-conscious about that, and that's nothing to be ashamed of, guys. It's just the natural way our bodies work after, what, 20 or so years of wearing a bra. That part of your body just kind of lumps itself. Unless you're super skinny and flat, you know. It's just the way of the world. It's the way our bodies work. It's nothing to be ashamed of. It's our bodies. It's beautiful. We just gotta remember to think of it that way, that we are beautiful. So guys, this is the last thing. It's beautiful. It's a little, what would you call this, pea green? I'm not even sure, moss green? I don't know, but it's cute. I'm gonna wear it. I like it. Once I got over the whole no bra thing, which I really didn't like, and found a way to wear it that I liked wearing it, it was all downhill from there because I absolutely fell in love with it. It's really nice. So with that, guys, onto the outro. So my Kevies, I hope you enjoyed that Shein haul. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell button. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!